This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the size of more than one row or more than one column at a time in Google Sheets and have all of those rows or columns evenly distributed within your document. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and let's say that you need to expand the size of the columns in that document, what you need to do is you need to go to the top of the screen so you can highlight the actual names of the columns, and I'm going to highlight A, B, C, and D. So I have all of those columns highlighted, and now in order to expand the length of all of these columns, I only need to expand one of them. And I do that by picking a cell that I want to expand and then moving the cell to make it longer or shorter. And when I adjust the size of one of those columns, all of those columns now change. And you can do that same thing for rows. So I'm only going to change the size of 8 of those rows. So I highlight those rows so that they are highlighted for the entire spreadsheet. And then I come over here to where the names of the rows are listed. And you pick a row, adjust its size. Let me try that again. And adjust its size. And now all of those rows are the same size and have been expanded. So in a nutshell, that is how you can change the size of multiple rows and columns at the same time in Google Sheets and have those rows and columns be evenly distributed. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and also subscribe to this channel so that you can receive updates when I publish videos in the future, and it'll also help to make this content more discoverable for others. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it helps you in your day so that you can be more productive and so that you can focus on those things that really matter.